I'm at Middle McCloud Falls in Shasta Trinity. Beautiful 50-foot or so waterfall. This is the Middle Falls. There's an upper and a lower, but I believe this is the largest. Comes down into a pool and goes down the river here. There is a viewing area up above. You can see the fence up here with people. Short little, maybe half-mile hike, not even. Down the cliff here. A little bit steep, but definitely a rewarding little hike. This is a beautiful waterfall, and parking lot is basically right behind the viewing area there, so pretty easy to get to.